it's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and in this video I just wanted to go over what I see in the markets. Again, you can see that the Nasdaq is overextended on both the ADX and the stochastics on the higher time frame, which is a 180-minute chart. And we've had a little bit of retracement on the 45-minute. It was overnight, and basically the ATR just pulled up to price. So when you're looking over at the 12-minute, now I have to say I love to go short. I love to counter trend trade, but I don't like stepping in front of a freight train. And as you can see on this retracement back to this ATR, the sellers are currently decreasing. You also see that this line of congestion dots is holding. Okay, so these are the things I'm really paying attention to, because in order for this market to come down, it should flip this ATR and then it should go back and test that ATR and then it will come down. Now, the 3-minute is already telling you there's potential issues here because it has not broken through this congestion dot. It came down to it, went back and tested the ATR, and then came down again. It should break through this line of congestion dots. Now, when it does that, it will manage to flip the ATR on the 12-minute chart. Then it will go back and retest it. When that happens, then I would be interested in taking the short position, because I'm seeing signs that, yes, it is overextended and the market is turning as I anticipate. If you look at the Dow, it is pretty much the same way, except just as this retraced back to the ATR here, just as this retraced back to the ATR right here, you can see sellers not interested right now. We're also oversold. So this tells me that more likely than not, we're going to go back up because the strength of the higher time frame is still to the upside. Now, if you go over to the ES, we pretty much have the same scenario, in that there are not a lot of sellers coming in at the moment. Until these sellers really step in and take control of this market, then the only bias is to the upside, okay? But once they prove to you by flipping this ATR and testing the ATR, at that point, then you can take a short position. But not until then, because you're fighting an uptrend and you don't want to do that.